Want stronger legs even at 90? Then pay close attention to this. Your legs may feel weaker than they used to, and most people do not even realize it is happening until simple movements start to feel different. One day standing up from a chair requires more effort. A few months later, a single flight of stairs leaves you out of breath. The change is slow, quiet, and easy to ignore, but the effects build. Short walks begin to feel like exercise. Balance becomes uncertain. Your confidence fades without you noticing the exact moment it started. This is not just aging. It is muscle loss, silent, gradual, and one of the most overlooked threats to your independence. Your legs are always the first to weaken, and when they do, your entire life changes. Your stability suffers. Your reaction time slows. Your risk of falling increases at a pace most seniors underestimate. But even with all of this working against you, there is a truth most people never hear. It is not too late to rebuild strength. You can begin supporting your legs today, right where you are, without a gym, without complicated routines, and without special equipment. While exercise helps, what you eat every day can be just as powerful, and in many cases, even more effective. Food builds the foundation your muscles rely on. It feeds the tissue that keeps you standing tall. It fuels your balance, your coordination, and your ability to move freely and confidently. That is why today we're focusing on 6 simple foods that help restore muscle power, protect your bones, increase your stamina, and keep your legs strong well into your later years. These foods are gentle, accessible, affordable, and backed by real research, not trends. And stay with me until the end, because the final food is something most seniors already have in their kitchen, yet almost no one eats it in a way that actually strengthens muscles. Before we dive deeper, I'd love to know, how old are you and where are you watching from? Our Healthy Seniors Corner family spans so many countries, and it's always inspiring to see seniors supporting each other across the world. Now let's continue strengthening your foundation. Sweet potatoes are often underestimated, but they play a very real role in keeping your legs capable and energized. As you age, your muscles struggle to store and use energy efficiently, which is why even basic activities begin to feel harder. Sweet potatoes help fix that naturally. They provide steady, lasting energy that fuels your leg muscles for hours, allowing you to walk, climb, and stay active without the sudden drops in strength that make your legs feel heavy. Inside their orange flesh is vitamin A, which supports muscle repair and eases soreness. There is also potassium, which improves muscle contractions and prevents painful cramps. Their natural anti-inflammatory compounds work at the cellular level to quiet the low-grade inflammation that slowly weakens your muscles over time. Even your gut benefits from their fiber, making nutrient absorption smoother, so your muscles receive consistent support. Whether you roast them, mash them, air fry them, or mix them into soups, sweet potatoes gently strengthen your legs with every serving. They make movement feel easier, and they help your muscles recover more effectively after each day's strain. Oats offer a different kind of support. If your legs feel tired halfway through the day, or you notice heaviness when you climb stairs, your muscles may be starving for slow, steady energy instead of quick spikes. Oats provide exactly that. They deliver long-lasting fuel that keeps your legs moving without crashes or sudden fatigue. And because oats contain plant-based protein, they help repair muscle fibers that naturally decline as you grow older. They are also rich in iron, which brings oxygen to your muscles, and magnesium, which relaxes them and prevents cramps and stiffness. If you've ever experienced sudden nighttime leg cramps, this mineral can make a noticeable difference. Oats even support circulation by helping blood vessels stay flexible, ensuring oxygen reaches your muscles efficiently. Whether eaten warm in the morning, blended into smoothies, or baked into simple snacks, oats support the endurance your legs need every day. Avocados then add flexibility and protection. As stiffness begins to creep in, whether it's the tightness you feel getting out of bed or discomfort after sitting too long, much of it is caused by inflammation that slowly wears down your joints and muscles. Avocados calm that inflammation naturally. Their healthy fats nourish your joints, reduce soreness, and make movement smoother and more confident. They also contain more potassium than bananas, offering crucial support for proper muscle contractions. If you've ever woken up from a sudden calf cramp, you understand how important this mineral truly is. Their vitamin E content further repairs tiny stress points in your muscles, easing fatigue and keeping your legs strong. Adding avocado to your meals several times a week can improve flexibility and reduce the aches that make you feel older than you are. Berries offer a different kind of power, protection. Every day your muscles battle oxidative stress and inflammation, two invisible forces that cause stiffness, soreness, and slow recovery. Berries shield your muscles from this damage. Their antioxidants strengthen muscle fibers, protect joints, and support the collagen that keeps your muscles and tendons firm and responsive. They also enhance circulation, bringing oxygen to your legs so you feel less tired and recover faster. And while they energize the body, they sharpen the mind, supporting both strength and mental clarity as you age. Salmon then enters the picture as one of the most effective muscle rebuilders. As your ability to repair muscle slows down, your legs may feel heavier or weaker. Salmon provides high-quality protein that restores muscle tissue. Its omega-3 fatty acids reduce deep inflammation, improve blood flow, and protect your joints from stiffness and pain. These fats keep your blood vessels flexible, so your legs receive oxygen and nutrients more efficiently, meaning more energy and faster recovery. Salmon even supports nerve function, helping your movements feel sharp, stable, and coordinated. And finally, the simplest food of all, eggs. Each egg holds the exact building blocks your muscles need to repair and grow. They provide complete, high-quality protein and offer vitamin D for bone and muscle strength, choline for nerve-muscle coordination, and healthy fats to protect muscle cells throughout the day. Even 1 or 2 eggs daily can help restore strength, steadiness, and the confidence you need to move freely. You don't have to eat all of these foods every day. Simply weave them into your routine consistently, in the morning or at lunch or dinner, whenever works for you. Your body benefits whenever you nourish it. Light movement helps these nutrients activate faster, but you don't need intense workouts. Even slow walks, chair exercises, or simple stretches support the healing process. Nutrition fuels your body. Movement activates it. Together, they rebuild your legs from the inside out. Your legs are your foundation. When they stay strong, you stay independent. You stay mobile. You stay you. Even one small change this week can shift your strength and energy. Maybe sweet potatoes with dinner. Maybe berries with breakfast. Each small choice is a step toward a stronger, more confident tomorrow.